Alright, just keep a firm. Yeah, just look at him. Just look at him. Don't say anything. Just look. Don't look at me. Look at him. Just look at him. Just follow him. Follow him. Turn fly on. No, yeah, come back. Yeah, just watch him. Just keep watching him.
Don't even move.
Don't move, man. Just don't move.
Here, turn fly. I'll see you drop down. Like, get into it.
No, just don't move. Oh, I hope Nerf doesn't kick us or something.
That was very rude for him to say that. Especially on this server.
I'm AFK, man. I can't move. This guy's touchy, man. I did not.
I know, this guy is really getting kicked off.
Alright, when he leaves, we need to blow up his house. Agreed?
I would like it to, but I don't want to be banned from this server.
Alright, just watch him. Just watch him.
We're just standing here.
Alright, should we go? Cause I think Nerf's gonna get mad.
See, we're not even moving.
Let's go. Just get out of here.
Oh,
Run! Where are you? Where'd you? Alright. Oh! What? What? Did he just ban me?
Yeah.
Nice one, bro. Just ban me for standing still. We had left when you banned me. Yeah, that's just great. I'm so happy right now.
Banned for harassment.
Dude, what? What? What do you mean harassment? What are we doing?
Well, you're standing in front of him.
Ooh!
Alone.
I'm kind of trying to do something here.
I just got banned from the server.
That is considered harassment.
Oh, I'm so fucking sorry. You got anything to say, Shuffler, or are you just gonna sit there in cold silence?
ask Taco to,
Okay, now if you're gonna keep cursing, I'll ban you from the TeamSpeak server.
Yep.
ask Taco to,
Hapa! Want to say that again?
You can do it, cousin. It's okay.
Bye.
here, try to join again.
Okay.
Whoops, wrong one. TeamSpeak need.
Disconnected.